Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows 7 has latest updates and your antivirus is temporarily off. Once done, save all documents and close every Office app so files won't block repair. Now open Control Panel, choose Programs and Features, and find Microsoft Office in the list. This is the entry point for repair. You're starting the repair process immediately to minimize system changes and collect the necessary installer options you'll use next. You click Change on the Office entry and choose Quick Repair to fix common issues without reinstalling. This is faster and preserves settings. If Quick Repair fails, select Online Repair, which reinstalls Office and replaces corrupted files. Expect longer time and possible reboot. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts closely and keep your Windows user account with admin rights handy. Once the repair runs, monitor progress and do not interrupt. These steps replace damaged components and restore functionality. After repair completes, restart the PC and open Office apps to confirm everything loads and updates. If problems remain, run System File Checker with sfc/scano to repair Windows system files. On machines supporting it, follow with DISM to fix component store issues. Make sure to re-enable antivirus and then test again. If an add-in caused the failure, uninstall or disable it. These final checks close the loop and give you a clear troubleshooting path if anything still goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.